Are you hunting for the best budget RGB lights to level up your YouTube studio setup? This tiny Neewer FL10 just might surprise you with what it can do. Let me show you. That window right there is not a real window, it's the light behind me. Let me just show you. And that's the Neewer right there shining onto the wall, right? So inside the box, you get a FL10 light itself, a USB-C charging cable, a silicone snoot to shape the beams, 20 creative gobo filters, and a handy carry pouch. That's a pretty complete package for such an affordable price. This is 10-watt RGB spotlight, boasts a premium aluminum alloy plus ABS body, 3 1/4-inch thread holes. These allow attaching the light to a tripod, light stands, selfie stick. The FL10 uses USB-C Type-C ports for power input. Charging input is 5 volts. It is possible to usual charging, so you can continue shooting if you have it plugged in. There is a single main button. Short press after turning it on switches between the 4 built-in LED color modes: warm white, orange, yellow, ice blue, reds. Rotate, turn the same button, acts as a dimmer, adjusting brightness from 1% up to 100%. You can pull the convex mirror barrel to change the beam angles, spread the light. The beam angle ranges from 10 degrees to 60 degrees. This gives you from a tight spotlight like a beam to a wider, softer flow. With the zoomable beams that adjust from 10 to 60 degrees, the color accuracy is impressive. With the CRI over 95, so skin tone and colors looks natural and vibrant on camera. For protection, it includes a velvet storage pouch that shields against scratches and dust. Pairing it with a padded case or dedicated gear bag ensures your lights, filter, and snoot stay safe and organized during transport. The 20 gobo filters allow you to project various shapes and textures. The first thing you gotta do first is to go by using the snoot, mount it onto the light. Once it is properly mounted, then put in the gobos that you desire. Press and hold the button. It is gonna be turning the light on. Go by increase the light intensity based on your needs. Press again to switch between colors. The 20 gobo filters allow you to project various shapes and textures, adding cinematics, flares, or fun background to your shots. You can change colors easily, from soft white to bright saturated reds, blues, and greens for perfect creative control. I tested the FL10 on several setups. For product shots, the gobos instantly adds cinematic depth and visual interest. Has a key light, is a bit underpowered unless positioned very close, but it really shines as a creative accent light or background spotlight. You do want to elevate your music videos without breaking the banks. The Neewer FL10 is the perfect budget-friendly lighting tool for you. It's compact, battery-powered, and comes with the 20 gobos filters to create cool pattern and mode. If you want affordable, creative lighting that makes your music video pops, the Neewer FL10 is a smart choice. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight and portable, come with creative gobos, zoomable beams for flexible lighting, and excellent color accuracy for the price. Cons: it is not bright enough to light a whole room on its own, and charging can take a bit longer than I would like. Who is this for? If you are a content creator on a budget wanting to add professional looking lighting effect without spending hundreds, the Neewer FL10 is definitely worth considering. If you want to upgrade your studio lighting without breaking the bank, check out the Neewer FL10. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button, subscribe for more budget gear reviews, and comment down below how will you use this light in your setup. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.